Yeah, so that's 2021 and now we're on to 2022. So just a bit of an update on what's really going on or what's been going on. Well, last year we got through quite a few big projects. Yeah guys, just a quick update on what's been going on in the Doing Stuff garage. Hope you guys had a really good break. My holiday's just about come to an end and I'm going to go back to my day job. We really got into this thing. It's like 90%. Nah, it's about 80% done. So we got that little 20% and it always seems to take 80% of the time, all the little bits. But anyway, we're getting into that. We did the fire trailer, which we're going to do an update on real soon, on how it's going and the servicing that needs to be done on an annual basis, and also some tips if you're going to build one yourself. So we're going to do another video of that coming soon. Also, we did that tractor, that Yanmar restoration. That was pretty intense. That took months to do that. It was a really good finish though, and it's gone to a new owner. And they love it. We did the golf buggy. That was a full build. That took months and months. And actually it's coming up in a video real soon. So keep an eye out for that one. Yeah, so I'm thinking about doing a few tutorial type how-to videos, like on mechanical, whether it be car kind of things or welding or little tips and tricks around the workshop, things that'll help you out. Or help anybody out. Another thing that I'm thinking about doing is a couple more videos on the old lathe. A few different ideas and things and attachments I'd like to try and do during the course of the year. So over the Christmas break I've been doing a few little jobs here and there, and some of them have been on the post-apocalyptic vehicle and some have been on other stuff. I've been doing a lot of property type things out there, so I haven't posted videos on them. Because they're not sort of suited to this channel. But if you want to have a look on my other channel, link below on the description, a few little excavator type videos and property ones. I've built a carport or building a carport, so check that one out if you want to. A few different projects is on the go, so I've started into a few. They'll be coming up in the next few weeks, so keep an eye out for those. A couple of projects coming up. We're going to do some more work on the post-apocalyptic vehicle. About to get the carby rebuilt. Gary's coming over to give us a hand with that. And then we're looking at getting it running. So that'll all, hopefully, might be one, might be 2 videos time. I'm not sure yet. Keep an eye out for that one. If you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss out any more of that. So there's going to be another video on a little scooter. We are going to do a race. I've just got to coax a couple of people into that idea to race me. We'll see how that goes. I have actually ridden it and fallen off. I've recovered. I'm hoping not to hurt myself this time again. So that'll be good. I think I'll wear my helmet this time. I am building a massive big go-kart, and when I mean massive big, it's not a 5 horsepower. Anyway, so look out for that one. Other projects are I've done one on the Jeep, about to come out next week, so check that one out on Friday. There's some other strange stuff coming, so I've got a few workshop build videos, like metal fabrication workshop tools. I'm going to make some workshop tools around the place. So I'm also planning on doing a video on making a few things with treadmill motors. So I've got a few of those spare. I don't know why I seem to collect treadmills, but anyway, I've got a few, and I'll be making, I've got 2 items in mind to be able to repower with treadmill motors. So that's just another couple of projects this year. Let us know in the comments below on what you'd actually like us to do this year, like more mechanical type videos or more metal fabrication type videos, or just keep doing what I'm doing and everything will be good. Because I'm thinking about some other tractor style type videos, things like that. Maybe if somebody wants to see them, so let me know in on those, and I'll get them out there. So guys, it's been an awesome year for 2021, and 2022 is looking to be spectacular. Like awesome videos. This thing's going to be running. We're going to have a bunch of other wild little go-karts and buggies and things happening. So I really want to thank all the people for watching and subscribing as you have been. But if you haven't subscribed yet and you want to see all this awesome new content coming, so just do that. And then you won't miss anything. You won't miss a thing. Isn't there a song about that?